Hello, this is Mario Bataro from WT327. Today we are in our technical center and we set up a new wind tunnel, just actually now the wind tunnel WT327. It's a wind tunnel, you see it, it's a bit unique. It's completely stainless steel, so the customer want to use it for hot and warm stuff. He wants to put acid and water in it. So we make it inside stainless steel, then it's completely isolated, and then outside stainless steel as well. So yeah, let's have a look at the wind tunnel itself. We have here the fan section. Here we put the air, suck the air and press them in this direction through the diffuser, and from the diffuser then down in the turning, with turning vanes in the corner 4, and then something like the heart of the wind tunnel is a settling chamber, completely housed. We begin with honeycombs with a ratio 9:1 to put out all the swirl so that we have straight air after it. Then we have 3 screens, rough, middle, and very fine. They are very stiff, have high vibration frequency, which is quite over all what we see here. Flaps for cleaning everything, so you put them out, isolated flaps, can clean everything, water, oil, whatever you want to put off, and drop it together again. Here we have the most unique part of each wind tunnel, the contraction nozzle. Here we speed up the wind, drop down the turbulence level, and then we come to the measurement chamber. Before that, you see this one. This is a pitot tube. It's part of the sensor system here inside the wind tunnel. So we have the pitot tube, which gets the dynamic pressure. Then we have here the control unit, where we put everything together, the pitot tube value, so the pressure value. We measure the wind temperature inside, the humidity inside, and the atmospheric pressure. And with this, we directly calculate here the wind speed, and you put in the wind speed where you want to be, and it regulates it on its own with all the data you have on this touch screen. Additionally to that, you have on, off, and security stop, of course. With the software, you see all sensor data. You can also see the Reynolds numbers if you push on the length of your object. For this, there's also a remote control to your PC, to your computer, where you have a main control, see everything, can log everything, and can set up sequences. What mean sequences? You start to make a sequence where at which wind speeds you want to be, how long you hold, and you can say, okay, log me this data, all data you have here, so speed, temperature, and so on. But also you can connect traverse system, balance, like three directional balance, 6 directional balance, and also pressure scanner, which you have in the test section. Log everything as you want it and at which time. So now we go to the main part. This is the test section. It's a closed wind tunnel with a closed test section. Within this configuration, we reach 57 meters per second at a noise level, because everything is closed and damped, at 80 dBA. At 50 meters per second, we only have 72 dBA. With this section, we have here plexiglass on 3 sides for the customer, and down there we have a plate, a changeable plate, where you can mount everything you want. And this is interchangeable, so the customer also has spare parts, can change this, can mount stuff on it and change it easily. Also, this part could be mounted on top and the window down there. And in this plates also matches our wind tunnel scales, like 3-dimensional, 6-dimensional, also both. You can mount them down or up here. Both is possible. This was a closed test section. Now we see the